On March 30th, Black Shark announced a trio of premium gaming smartphones including the Black Shark 5, Black Shark 5 Pro, and Black Shark 5 RS. The company also announced a customized edition of the models. The Black Shark 5 China Aerospace Edition and Black Shark 5 Pro China Aerospace Edition also joined the fray. Both the Black Shark 5 and 5 Pro China Aerospace Edition, Black Shark bundle a custom armored magnetically absorbing heat-conducting protective case, as well as a Black Shark Starstream GaN, 120-watt fast charging adapter. The China Aerospace Editions adopt a geometric line composition with a contrasting color design. The ultra-thin frame in the middle of the phone is the ultimate technological achievement in balancing function and vision. The back adopts nanoscale multi-axis lithography space texture with custom RGB lighting effects and presents an advanced touch of light and shadow. The Black Shark 5 China Aerospace Edition uses a 6.67-inch Samsung AMOLED flexible straight screen with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and a 2400 by 1080p resolution. The display also supports dynamic refresh rate switching according to the scene. It has obtained HDR10+ certification and SGSI protection high-quality display certification. In terms of performance, the Black Shark 5 China Aerospace Edition is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 mobile platform with 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 flash storage. In terms of charging and battery life, the Black Shark 5 Pro provides a combination of 120-watt super flash charging and a large 4650 mAh battery, which can be fully charged in 16 minutes. Finally, the 12 and 256 GB version of Black Shark 5 China Aerospace Edition is priced at 34.99 yuan, about $550, while the 16 and 512 GB version of Black Shark 5 Pro China Aerospace Edition is priced at 59.99 yuan, about $942. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.